In today's life, the cutting down and removal of trees is a matter of great concern, and accurate assessments must be made before removing them. Trees are the main source of oxygen supply for the human living environment. Any country has specific policies and regulations for removing certain types of greenery. In the video below, we will show you how the cutting process takes place and what safety equipment is needed for the job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Removing trees in the area near a house is not a simple task and can be dangerous if not done correctly. Therefore, if you want to do it yourself, make sure to use all the necessary safety equipment. Some necessary safety equipment when removing trees includes safety harnesses, helmets, and appropriate clothing. Safety harnesses will keep you safe when you are working on the tree and help you avoid the danger of the rope when the tree falls. In addition, you should also use a rope tied to the tree trunk to prevent the tree from falling and affecting the house below. Before starting the work, you need to check the location and condition of the tree as well as determine the direction of the tree's fall. If the tree is near the house, you need to make sure that no objects are affected by the tree removal process. Furthermore, if this task is too complex or too dangerous, you should hire a professional team to do it. They will have experience and modern equipment to ensure the safety of you and your home. When it is necessary to fell a large tree along the road, using a T-Rex crane is a safe and effective solution to move the worker up to the tree. With the ability to lift and position the worker, the crane ensures their safety while they perform the tree cutting task. The machine is designed with safety belts and harnesses to keep the worker secure and protected from harm while working at heights. In addition, the crane controls are located in a safe zone, enabling the operator to control the machine's operations easily and effectively. The use of the crane also saves time and effort compared to traditional methods such as ladders or ropes. It also minimizes the risk of environmental damage and reduces the impact on traffic by reducing the time required to complete the task. The task is carried out efficiently as each felled tree is lowered using a specialized rope system, which does not pose a danger to passing vehicles despite being located near the road. The professional team is cutting down trees near the houses in a professional and safe manner. The members of the team also have the necessary experience and skills to ensure that the trees will be safely and accurately cut down. They evaluate the environment around the tree and plan the tree cutting process so as not to affect the surrounding environment, including houses and streets. Specialized tools such as chainsaws and machinery are used to ensure that the work is done quickly and efficiently. The team members also use materials such as ropes to tie the trees before cutting them down, minimizing the risk of falling trees and ensuring safety for everyone around. With strong hands and perseverance, they work together smoothly to quickly and efficiently handle each tree, ensuring that the tree is no impact on the house below. In tree cutting work, protective ropes such as safety ropes and ropes tied to the tree trunk play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of the worker. Safety ropes are used to fasten around the worker's waist and tied to the tree trunk to keep the worker in a safe position. Safety ropes help reduce the risk of falling from a height and help the worker maintain balance during the tree cutting process. Moreover, ropes tied to the tree trunk also play an important role in reducing the risk of the tree falling when it is cut down. When the tree is cut down, the ropes keep the tree from falling abruptly and must be controlled and placed in the right direction to ensure the safety of the worker and the surrounding environment. If not used properly, or if these protective ropes are not used, the worker may face danger and serious accidents. Therefore, the use of protective ropes in tree cutting work is necessary to ensure safety and effectiveness in the work process. Tree cutting is not only a high-skilled job, but also requires good health from the workers since they always have to work at different heights, so using safety equipment is extremely necessary. Avoid unnecessary risks and damages to people and property caused by tree cutting accidents. Work carefully and efficiently. Thus, the video partially provides viewers with useful knowledge about tree cutting techniques. To carry out this job, first equip yourself with a deep knowledge of the job. At the same time, prepare yourself with good health, ensuring that no accidents occur during the work process. We hope you enjoy our video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day and see you in the next video.